Hello, my name is Ever Ibarra Almaral and I'm going to talk about masteries. In this moment I'm going to talk about mastery number 7, the use of comments, and mastery number 9, the basic types of variables in C++. So let's begin. First of all, we need to use an editor. As my previous video I said that I use Atom, so I'm going to use Atom. So I already did this program. It's the basic Hello World. So we're going to work in this code. So let's begin. To use comments, you need to remember the rule. The rule is to write a double slash and then write whatever you need to remember. I mean, if you want to remember what is include IOString, well, it's a header file. Header files are the basic instructions which contains types or instructions like count or whatever you need to use in the program. So it's important for you to use it. And another thing, I don't know if you want to remember what the hell is in main. Main is a basic function. The basic function you always need to remember. You always need to write, because in main is the program. It starts in main and reads whatever it's in your code. So you need to remember what in main does. But what happens if you only write like one slash and not two? So let's see. Save. We're going to compile it. Remember that this is an editor, so we are going to use Cyclin as the compiler. Here it is. Remember to write the direction of your file. Remember where it is. So I already know what it is, so I'm going to write the direction. Let's see, users, personal, documents, so it turns yellow. So I write it in a correct way. I don't know. Sorry for my bad English. I mean, I'm practicing. I need to practice more. So let's compile the hello world. Hello world. That's the thing. There's an error in line 122. Elementos extra, final de la directiva, header file. So as you see, you can't write one slash header file because it's not. It breaks the rule. So you need to always write double slash in comments. Remember that. Keep in mind that comments are useful for the future you, when you want to remember something about previous codes that you already write. I don't know. So it's important for you to remember. And what about if you only write? If you don't write the slashes, if you don't put it in the code, let's see. Let's save them. Let's save the program. And let's compile it again. C++ hello world.cpp. As you see, you can write it either this way or the other. So you need to always write double slash in comments. Another way to use comments is to write a slash and I don't know, the symbol for multiplication and words like hello. As you see, the whole code is now a comment, so you don't want to do that. You need to close that comment. As you see, that there is a comment, and then the code, another comment. So you need to always close the comment if you do it like this way. Because if you don't close the comment, the whole code will be a comment, and well, the compiler is not gonna treat it. So that's it for Mastery 7. We're going to talk about Mastery 9, the basic types of variables in C++. So now we are going to create a new file. Let's see. We're going to write the basic stuff like hashtag include, alias string, and using namespace std. Well, let's see. We are going to use some basic variables like integer. It's for rounded numbers. I mean, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like basic numbers. Let's name a number A. Let's name another number B, because we are going to name the variables. So let's see. We can create. Oh, always remember to use in name. Yeah, it's true. In name. That's it. And we copy paste this. Out of the code. That's it. So we're going to make some operations with these variables. Let's see. First of all, we need to show a message. Hello. I am calculating 2 variables. Variables. Anyway, this is for the new line, so I'm going to write it. Let's see. Well, I always do this line. I always write this, like count the symbols, and because I want to make a space for the user to introduce a number. See? Okay. So let's give me the first value. And then you give the first value. The terminal is going to ask you for the value. And the next one, give me the second value. The terminal is going to ask you for the second value, so you need to give it. And then we're going to make some addition. Variable. This is called initialization. You initialize the variable with a value, like A plus B, so it's an operation. Let's see. Count So the addition equals 2 equals 2 and then you need to return the variable like equals to C. That will be it. And then always remember to use return 0 and semicolon. So that will be it. We save the program. Save as. Remember to use the extension .spt. Title and integers and .spt. And we save. Then, as you see, the program, the add-on turns the code into different colors, so it looks cooler than before. So let's compile it in the terminal. Integers, it's that name, integer.spt. So we did it correctly. So the program compiled it, so let's run it. Remember to use a.exe to run it. Hello, I'm a calculator for 2 variables, 12 plus 9. So that's it. That's a basic operation in C++. So, but what about if we use like a floating point? Let's see. Let's run it again. For the exe, and the first value 12.5. Just 12.5. I don't know why. Because we use integer. If we want to write, if we ask for to the user for a number with a floating point, we need to use the variable float. So let's see, let's change our code. This is my code. We use float, and we use float. Let's compile it again because we make some changes, so we need to compile it again. Integers.spt, and then we run it. And the first value 12.5. There's an error. Let's see what it is. Well, as you see, I didn't save the program, so that's the problem. I use compile it, so we need to save again the program and then run it. Integers.cpp. So we compile it and then we run it. So that's it. 12.5 plus 12.4, 25.9. So if you want to use variables with floating points, you need to use the variable float. And if you want to use like just numbers and rounded numbers, you need to use integers. Those are the basic types that I have been learning in this first partial of the course. So that's it. So if you have questions about it, leave a comment, leave a like, and see you in the next mastery video.